Hi guys, this is Miss Villarreal. I'm posting for Miss Castaño's workshop class. If you would get started by going to the stream and fill out the attendance form, she would greatly appreciate it. Go ahead and schedule that for you guys. Okay, now if you would go to classwork, okay, and you have a new assignment posted called Translation Discovery. If you click on that one, it is going to open up a Jamboard, your own Jamboard, okay? You should be able to click and change things on it since it is set to make a copy of your own when you open it, okay? Um, that is one of your assignments. And then the other thing after you have practiced a little bit is to finish one of the quizzes. And the quizzes is over translations, okay? Okay, so just in looking at this Jamboard, this is just some practice to get you ready before you go and take your quizzes. Okay, hopefully each of you have already had math where we got to talk about this, either Friday or earlier in the day. So what we have here, triangle and the three corners, right? Remember we have to label those. So once you have those labeled, okay, label them red. Once you have those labeled, you need to get the coordinates of those points, right? So the pre-image, I put that it's the blue dots. So we need to know what the coordinates of the blue dots are. I'm going to get you started with the first one. So A would be 4, 5. Okay, and then you can go and fill in for B and C based off of your picture. Okay, and so what I said down here in red, it says to describe how the triangle translated or slid, right? Remember, translation is just a slide. How did it slide from the blue to the green dots here? Remember, we can only use the terms left, right, up, or down. We cannot use diagonal as a direction, okay? So if we notice, right, it moves two directions. It doesn't matter which one you say first, okay? But I want you to figure out what you think they are and write them down here at the bottom or put a text box. And then I want the new coordinates of the image where you moved it to. Okay, and those are the green dots. So remember, when we're labeling our new points, those become A prime, B prime, and C prime. Okay, so that's slide 1. Okay, if you move to slide 2, now you get to try. So the diamond already starts, right? Image on there. You need to get the coordinates of those 4 corners, so you label it how you want to. One has to be A, B, C, and D like that. Okay, and then it says for you to translate the diamond to create a new image. So you go ahead and move it where you want to, but you have to know how you moved it because you're going to have to describe what you did. So you're going to have to say whether you moved it to the right and down, whether you moved it left and up. Okay, so you can move it where you want. Okay, but make sure you're able to describe what you chose. And then you need to put the coordinates of the new points. Okay, that's slide 2. And then slide 3 tells you to translate the triangle 4 left and 2 up. Okay, so what you have to do is label first, put the coordinates of the pre-image or the original triangle, and then try to move it based off of what it tells you up here in red. Okay, so once you move it left and up, okay, I'm not moving it exactly, right? I'm just showing you the direction you should move it. You have to label the new vertices or the new corners of the triangle and put the coordinates. Okay, so once you're done with those 3 slides, you can go back and go ahead and start your quizzes. Can't remember how many questions, maybe 11 questions. Okay, so once you're done with that quizzes, you are done for the day. You can sign off. Stay safe and warm, guys. We will see you hopefully tomorrow, if not Wednesday. Bye, guys.